Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make subtitles or an SRT file using a free piece of software called Aegisub. First of all, we'll go ahead and launch it, Aegisub. Notice right here is the video that I want to add subtitles to. It's fairly simple. Just drag and drop it. It takes a few minutes depending upon your computer. Once that is done, this bar keeps moving around showing the progress of the video. This will happen sometimes. This is definitely taking several minutes. And now with that done, you'll see this part here. This red line shows the beginning of the selected section of the video, and the blue line shows the end of the selected section of the video. Fairly simple. These are graphs of the audio waveform. This is your play pause button. The one with the red brackets shall include the frames at this line, whereas the one with the blue brackets shall exclude the frames at these lines. So you select a section, you hit play. Once you listen to the audio, you So once you have heard the audio, you write the subtitles that you want to write. And here you can see a small preview, but I think it's too small for being useful. You either use this green check mark over here, or you just hit enter. It will automatically choose a short clip of the part of the video. You can either use that, or you can resize it using this, using either the red or the blue markers. Again, once you have selected, you again hit play. You write more subtitle as your requirement. You keep hitting enter. You keep resizing it as your video's requirements go. Once that is done, you see the floppy here. You click on it. You save it with whatever name you like, and you select your location and you hit save. Now keep in mind, as you can see here, the default format that Aegisub uses is an AS format. It's .ass. Please get your minds out of the gutter. If you want to save it in SRT, you need to go to File in the top left corner. I'm sure Windows has File here as well. Maybe in a bit different location, you'll need to find it. From there, you go to Export As. You leave all these settings the way they are. You do not mess with them. You just go to Export. You select name. Again, whatever name you like, you're free to choose that. You select your location. And from this drop down here, instead of all supported formats, you choose the one you want. You can go to TXT if you want. You can go to SRT in our case, since we want an SRT file. You click on save, and that's it. Within few minutes, your SRT file is now saved.